Hello, today I'm going to throw a lid, and it's a neat lid that gets thrown in one single go. So here we go with well prepared clay, centering. It's always quite tricky centering a small amount of clay. It's only 120 grams. So now I'm opening in a strange way. I'm going down, not in the middle, because it's going down on one side is what creates the stalk of the handle. There we go. Now I'm just going to throw out as if it was some kind of little shallow bowl, trying to get a nice continuous line. In fact, I'm just touching my little brush guide, so I'm absolutely wide enough. That's fine. I'm just going to put the chamois around the edge. Perhaps around the edge of the stem too. And that's it, a little undercut. Cleaning the bat and cutting it off. All done.